Okay, here's what the initial wiring looks like. And what we've got here is we've got our strips all glued in place, some super glue on these insulators, and the wires come out the top. Alright, and since that way is forward to the right, we got the reds over here, we got the black wires over there. Alright, now, will that all work? Will the boiler fit on here with that red wire in place? And if it does fit, will it get in the way of that gearbox? I think we'll be able to come up, and the gearbox will fit in there. Now, here's something else I'm going to do. I like the way that the brown mist over the black turned out. Looks really good. Okay? But what I want to do now is I want to take a light colored, I want to mist over the top with some really rusty red color, and then maybe use a little graphite to balance it up. And I'm going to try that, and we're going to see what happens. And if it doesn't work, it's no problem. We'll just mist it brown again. We'll be good. And that's where we're at.